Get ready to leave your mark and make your leather projects truly one of a kind. Welcome back to our Sailrite workbench. Today we want to introduce you guys to our Sailrite alphabet and number stamp sets. These stamps are made from tough zinc for everyday use on leather projects. We offer two sizes of stamp sets, an 1/8 inch and a 1/4 inch stamp version. Both kits include a stamp handle, letters A to Z, and numbers 0 through 9. The 1/8 inch stamp set also includes two symbol stamps. Now let's go over how to use these sets. You will need a stamp set, some water, a sponge, a poly cutting board, and a mallet. We recommend using a round maul. If you'd like to learn more about them, you can use the info button in the top right corner of this video. It would also be extremely helpful to have the Sailrite leather stamp guide, but we'll touch on this later in the video. To get started, you'll want to wet your leather. Using a sponge, evenly layer water onto your leather. It's a good idea to wet your entire piece of leather, even if you're only working on a small section of it. This will prevent watermarks or water lines from appearing. Once it's wet, you may have to wait a second for the water to soak into your leather. Then set your leather on a poly cutting board. Next, insert your stamp handle into the stamp. Line up the stamp on your leather using the small arrow indicator as a guide. Make sure the arrow is facing you, indicating that the stamp is right side up. Once aligned correctly, strike the stamp with your mallet. Lastly, remove your handle to see your results. The harder you hit it, the darker the imprint will be. But if you hit it too hard, you can mar your leather. So it may be a good idea to practice on a scrap piece of leather first. When using multiple stamps in succession, it can be difficult to line them up straight. That's where the Sailrite Leather Stamp Guide is so helpful. The Leather Stamp Guide is a clever tool that helps you line up your leather stamps perfectly straight prior to stamping. That way, when you begin stamping, your letters and numbers will all be in a straight line. Using different size stamps, simply loosen and tighten the knob in the upper right-hand corner to fit your stamps. This stamp guide is compatible with 3D and alphabet stamp sizes ranging from 1/4 inch to 1 inch. This is an essential and inexpensive tool that will help you craft professional-looking leather projects. With the Sailrite alphabet and number stamp sets, you will have the power to add a personal touch to your creations. We've linked all the products that we've used in this video in the description below to make it easy to get yours. And if you want to learn more about Sailrite exclusive products or see them in action in a DIY project video, make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.